3D wall panels are no longer just a decorative trend. They are a powerful design statement redefining modern interiors. In today's world of interior decor, walls are no longer meant to be flat, silent, or forgettable. They are meant to speak, to express style, taste, and personality. And that is exactly what 3D wall panel designs do. They bring walls to life. The moment you introduce 3D wall panels into a space, everything changes. Depth replaces dullness. Texture replaces emptiness. And suddenly, a simple room feels intentional, designed and elevated. From luxury living rooms to elegant bedrooms, modern offices to high-end hotels, 3D wall panels have become the secret weapon designers use to take interior decor to the next level. What makes 3D wall panels truly special is their ability to transform without overwhelming. They don't need bright colors or heavy decorations to stand out. Their strength lies in form, pattern, and structure. Whether it's soft waves, geometric lines layered with textures, or bold architectural patterns, 3D wall panels introduce movement and rhythm into a space. As light hits the surface, shadows form naturally, creating a dynamic visual experience that changes throughout the day. This interaction between light and texture is what gives 3D wall panels their luxury feel. It's subtle yet powerful, calm yet bold. One of the biggest advantages of 3D wall panels is versatility. They work beautifully across different interior styles: modern, minimalist, contemporary, classic, and even Afro-modern designs. In living rooms, 3D wall panels are commonly used for TV feature walls, turning the entertainment area into a visual centerpiece. Instead of relying on excessive decor, the wall itself becomes a design highlight. In bedrooms, 3D wall panel behind the headboard create a sense of comfort, depth, and quiet luxury. They add warmth and elegance without overpowering the space. In offices and commercial spaces, these panels communicate professionalism, creativity, and attention to detail. They help define brand identity while maintaining a clean, modern look. Hotels, lounges, and luxury apartments use 3D wall panels to create unforgettable first impressions. Because the moment someone walks in, the walls already tell a story. Material choice plays a major role in the final outcome. Wooden 3D panels offer warmth and natural elegance. PVC panels provide durability and easy maintenance. Leather finish panels introduce softness and exclusivity. Stone and marble-inspired panels bring bold luxury and architectural strength. Each material serves a purpose, and the right choice depends on the mood you want to create. Beyond aesthetics, 3D wall panels also offer functional benefits. They help reduce noise, protect walls from wear, and increase the overall lifespan of interior finishes. This makes them not just beautiful, but practical. Another reason designers love 3D wall panels is how quickly they elevate a space. Without major renovations, structural changes, or high costs, you can achieve a dramatic transformation simply by upgrading the walls. Minimal effort, maximum impact. For homeowners looking to add value to their property, 3D wall panels are a smart investment. They increase visual appeal, enhance perceived value, and make spaces feel more premium and intentional. For interior designers and decorators, they offer endless creative possibilities, mixing patterns, materials, and lighting to achieve unique, signature designs. And for anyone who appreciates fine details, 3D wall panels represent the perfect balance between art and architecture. The beauty of 3D wall panels is that they don't chase trends, they define them. While colors change and styles evolve, texture and depth remain timeless. So whether your goal is luxury, simplicity, boldness, or elegance, there's a 3D wall panel design that fits perfectly. If you're tired of flat walls and ordinary spaces, it may be time to think beyond paint, because great interior design doesn't just fill a room, it transforms how the room feels. 3D wall panels don't just decorate your home, they redefine it. If you enjoyed this video and found inspiration in these designs, subscribe to the channel for more luxury interior decor ideas that elevate your space. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss expert design inspiration, modern trends, and premium interior solutions. Like this video, share it with someone planning renovation, and comment below to tell us which 3D wall panel design caught your attention. Minimalist, geometric, wood, or marble inspired. If you're planning a home upgrade, renovation, or luxury interior project, this is your sign to start with the walls. Subscribe now and take your interior decor to the next level.